I'm sure we've all read in the news recently that there's been a lot of supply chain issues, meaning that a lot of certain specific, parts or products aren't readily available. Well, as a collision repair professional, we run across those same types of challenges. So if you receive a notification that your parts are on back order, it means that we've exhausted all the resources available to us to actually secure your part so we can properly repair your vehicle. So if your parts for your vehicle are on back order, what can we do next?
So you're not the only one facing this issue, and we suggest that you reach out to the manufacturer directly for assistance. Once we get any update on the status of your parts, we'll reach out to you directly. If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.